In this video, I'm going to show you how to change leverage on FXCM. Now, the first thing I must tell you is that it's not actually possible to change leverage over here inside your account on their platform and inside the dashboard. However, you have to go to their website, so fxcm.com/markets. And then when you are on here, you want to click on this search box, and then you want to type in leverage increase request. After that, press enter on your keyboard, so it's going to start searching, and under FXCM results over here in just a few seconds, it's going to pop up this which says leverage increase request. Click on this and it's going to take you to a separate page here where you can basically request a leverage increase. Okay, so as you can see here, it says by completing the following form, you're requesting that FXCM update your account to higher leverage setting. Here you can see a bunch of different things as well, and if you actually want to do that, you'll be able to put in your email, your account number, and then you'll be able to select your leverage as well. And then here you have to, of course, read the transfer terms and everything regarding this. And only when you actually agree with all of this, you have to press the submit button, and then you'll basically send in the request. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.